What is what is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Deep.io. So, this was the first game that I ever featured on my channel. I don't have many videos out yet, but I'm coming back for Deep.io because it got a couple views. I am going to do another Santa 3D sniper one because that one was the one that got the most views, even though it only got 5 views, but that's the most views on my channel. Hooray for me! Anyway, the most viewed video. In all, I think I have like around 20 views, if you combine all my videos. So we're back as Albany Goater, the one who just can't manage to get a good evolution. And I'm back in the caves. Remember last episode I got stuck in these caves as well, and it didn't end well for us because there's a bunch of bigger things down here. Wait, I can choose another piranha? I am 2 piranhas now. So that's how it worked in the other episode. As you remember, in the other episode, I got ganged up on by like a million of these piranhas and one other creature, I believe, and they were all working in unison. So this is how that apparently happened. So I like this because you can collect food a lot faster. Are we going to the surface? Yes, I do want to get a different evolution. So I think this was a good starter evolution, getting multiple piranhas. You can't touch this sucker. Got nothing on me. Hello, 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 hello. Can I eat that? Thank you very much. Okay, what am I gonna be now? Catfish. I really like this. Now, watch this. Now I can eat all the berries from the surface, which makes it a lot easier for me to be a predator. And that's why I really like the catfish, because it's a good animal if you want to be a predator and eat other things, because if something tries to run away from you, you can just suck it all in. Please don't take that out of context. I don't know why you put that, what other thing would mean, but it just sounds weird. So, hello. I do not want to attack you. I said I don't want to attack you. So, I think I just saw like a bullfrog. Mr. Super Deep? Yeah, oh wait, no. That is an alligator. Oh, do not ever make that difference. Don't ever make that mistake. I cannot speak English right now. As you can see, it's 12 o'clock at night. I probably should not be recording a video right now. But I am. This is going to be the 4th video I've released today because I just want to kind of get my videos kind of just kicked off and just kind of get a couple videos, and then I'll kind of take it a day at a time. That sort of thing. Oh, it's Ello! Remember that guy we ran into earlier? Yay! Well, actually, he didn't mess with us, so I guess we don't really have a reason to say yay to his death. You know, I could probably eat all of you if I play this smart. It's just a mobile game. Oh, that's funny. Jellyfish, I wanna be you. Okay, okay, no. Can't touch this sucker. Okay, I really like this. I think this is gonna... No, no, what the... Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No! Okay, I'm gonna kill you, frog. Or you're gonna kill me. Depends on what you want to do, buddy. Get me out of here. Why is there a jellyfish in a swamp anyway? Can jellyfishes live in swamp? Jellyfishes. I'm not sure. I should look that up. Pretty interesting fact, actually. Can jellyfishes live in swamps? Wow. I don't know why I cannot become this. Guess pressure. Pressure is definitely the problem. Oh no. Oh no. Please, does the ground open up somewhere? Oh, well, I'm just dead then. Great. No. Okay. Okay. We might stand a chance at surviving. Oh, thank God the ground opened up here. No, no, nope. Okay. I'm in my natural habitat. So my pressure is fine. I'm fine. Oh, I'm gonna eat you, man. Oh, we're an isopod. Isopods forever. Giant isopods. I really like this character. It's a good survival character because no one can hit you when you're in your ball form, and you can actually move in your ball form, as we learned in last episode, that we can actually spin this and go any way we want. Unless it's uphill, because apparently it doesn't work uphill. Ooh, a seagull? Wait a minute. Oh, it just dawned upon me. I need air. I need oxygen. No, 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 no. I shall not drown. I have not drowned. Ooh, thank God. Get me out of here. Deal with you, man. It's really hard for seagulls to go underwater for some reason. I don't really like that. Oh, I just took a bite out of one of the best players in this game. Are you kidding me? He grappled onto me. He grappled onto me as I boosted away. Are you kidding me? Hey! Frick off! Frick off, man! Yeah, leave me alone, bitch! God. I better learn how to edit my videos because eventually I'm not going to be able to take it anymore. I'm going to end up cursing on my videos and I'm going to need to know how to bleep it out. Don't know. Ooh, these are good sources of food. Food. Lamprey. Evolve. Quickly. Quickly evolve. Quickly evolve. Okay. Stand still. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm invisible. I'm invisible. Beaches. I said beaches because we're on a beach. Don't question me. Yummy, yummy. Am I eating air right now? It's gaining the illusion. Hello. Hello, puny human. I feel like squids should... I can eat... Nope, nope. Get back to the water. Get back to the water. Whee! Whee! Frick! I'm gonna die. Whee! This game I thought it was gonna be fun, but it's just rage-inducing at this point. Whoa, I just flew across an island. Okay, now if we can spam this button, we can actually move across land quickly enough to become a seagull. Yummy. Boing. Oh, another trick for this is if you click, it's going to do a single. Okay, you want to go, buddy? Okay, I'm out of here, sucker. Missed me, Froogie. Did I just poop? OMG, I just pooped. Yay. Pressure? Telling me that there's pressure inside of this volcano? Oh my gosh, it has just dawned upon me. We're inside a freaking volcano. We do be in a volcano. Can I eat my own poop? That's my poop, right? No, I cannot eat it. Oh my gosh, it's the same guy from earlier. Leave me alone, you ugly frog. So... Yummy. I think the bird sages are pretty boring. Can I eat someone else's poop? Nope. Why? Is this an actual physical island? No, it's just in the background. Okay. Probably save my boost for when I'm running away from a predator. I love it. I love it when they miss, I love it when people, when they're trying to attack you, when they actually miss boosting towards you. No, you little... It's just a mobile game. It's that same guy. I'm gonna frick you up, man. I'm gonna frick you up. I'll frick you up, boy. Oh, you think this funny? You think this do be funny? I think different. Leave me alone, you piggy son of a... Go bug someone else, you little ass. Ah, man. They're 5 times higher than me, and it's not like I am going to help them with their evolutionary stage. They just like one hit me. Oh, you're going down, Reza. Try to resurrect yourself from this, Reza. Where is she? Where is Reza? Where do Reza do be? Ooh, yummy. Oh no, get back here. Okay. Where is Reza? We need to eat Reza because I want to eat Reza. We are now species. We do be going to eat you. We do be eating you. You wanna go, man? We can eat you, man. You want some of this? I feel like we can take down any one animal in this game right now, just because we have so many fishes on our side, so many Albany goaters. I don't understand what that is. Never mind, we cannot even take it out. Oh, just kill me and my species already. Eat him! I'm a seagull again? Ah! No! OMG, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash the like button if you want to see me get tortured with this ugly game. Let me go, you little son of a child taker. This guy's name is Child Taker. Let me go. Please like and subscribe to my videos if you want to see me get tortured again with this game that literally makes me question why does this game exist? Is it to just torture people?